If you're already late, take your time. You can't be late twice. Your order has been shipped me. When you have to read the same page over and over cause you keep zoning out. There are 2 rules in life. 1. Never tell anyone everything. When will the good time come? ChatGPT, I honestly have no idea. Had a dream that he cheated on me last night. Average male dream. Introverts after finally learning to say no. When you and your bestie don't talk for days but the bond is still there when you do. Finally found the perfect bed. Bet I wouldn't sweat at night with this thing. One of the last coal-powered sheep. Most sheep are all electric now.